Hi everyone, Elvis here, and today in this video I will share to you the checklist for a hero campaign that can save your account and you will not regret doing the things that I will show here. So first, I suggest you to like this video to help me to help more business owners to see this video, and I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. So let's go to the video. So the first thing that you need, if you want to have a hero campaign, you need to have a clean landing page. So a landing page is the page where your customers, the ad viewers, will be redirected when they want to get your products or service. And if you don't have a clean landing page, you can probably have a low conversion rate even if you have a high click-through rate. And that's why most business fail in their ads, because they have a weak or a weak and bad landing page where the clients get confused and where there's too much information, no clear CTAs and everything. And the second thing, you need to have proofs or images that show that your product is legit. I recommend you to not use AI images, because if you want to buy something or have some products, you would like to have some credibility from the product server. So you would like to see real photos of the past works, what the past clients have told about the products or service. So don't use too much AI. So I recommend you to make a clean, put a real image that you take with your cell phone or your camera, I don't know, of past works, and you can implement to the website, and that will also help you to increase your conversion rate. And the third thing, you need to test creatives. So other thing that most business don't do is like they only put one creative and they see that the numbers are not high as they want, so they try to blame the platform and telling that this doesn't work. But the real thing is that you are using wrong creatives, maybe for your offer, and your leads, your potential clients, the viewers of the ad, are not engaging with the ad that you are putting because your creative sucks too much. So that's you to make 3 creatives. Even if it's a video, you can make 3 videos of your product or service, explaining about your service and something that you can change with the time, or you can run the 3 or more at the time, and you can see which one is getting too much clicks and views. So you can replicate the ad that is performing well for you, is getting more people to visit your website. And the number 4, I suggest you to create publics at your ads account. So let's see, maybe you see an ad, or you are seeing this video on your car with you are driving in your Android radio or on your phone in the bus or something, I don't know, and you don't have the ability to make the purchase, to buy the product that I'm offering, or contact me, sending me an email or something, or subscribe to my newsletter. So you exit the account, or you have some other thing that's happening for you. Maybe you are at home, you are seeing this ad of your product or something, but you don't have your card with you at that moment. So that's why it's important for you to create some publics, some customized publics for you to use in your retargeting ads. Those publics you will configure with the things that you want to measure, with the click that you implemented on your landing page, with the behavior of the customer, of the visitant of your website. So number 5, I suggest you to retarget your leads, your site visitors, and other people that show some interest in your ads or saw your video for some amount of time. It's like what I was telling before in the number 4, that you need to retarget. So retarget is that you will show your ad again or improve it ad with we can say for your warm public, that who are people that already saw your product or business and have some interest. They engage it in your ad, and you are using another ad to make sure that they will not miss the offer, and they will see, and maybe this will be the time that they will make the purchase instantly. So this is the thing that you need to master. Or if you want effective marketing, you can contact me. My email will be here at the description. I can help your business grow and increase your revenue, and I can implement these things that are telling here and other things that I know that most business need to do to have a campaign that is unbeatable. And number 6, I suggest you to have a database of data, of information of your past clients, so you can make a upsell. Maybe you sell a service, you can use the information that you have from your past clients from your database to run an ad or send for them some emails, some messages, or at other social media or communication platforms. And you can use this to make them buy maybe a Christmas offer or a Easter offer, that you are doing some discount or you are promoting some product. They can have the unreleased, yes, I can say that is the unreleased version of your service, because they will feel that they are more exclusive. So these are some of the tips that I'm sharing here for you to have a hero campaign that can save your business. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to have a clean marketing, to delegate this task for me to have a clear and guaranteed result for your business, contact me. See you next time. Thank you.